Time to take a look at the EZARC diamond-coated screwdriver bit set. So that does come with a little carrier. That's even got a little carabiner on it. You got 3 Phillips, a 1 and a 2, and a Pozidriv, 2 flatheads, and 5 Torx. That is a T15 up to a T40. So the interesting thing about these is going to be that diamond coating that's on there. So what essentially that is going to do, because diamonds are harder than steel, is going to act like a bunch of teeth that's going to grab into the steel of the screws. That's going to reduce the cam out that would occur with a normal non-coated Phillips driver. So where most Phillips, when enough torque is applied, they would actually start to slip out. Like this one is actually, it takes effort for that thing to fall out. You can see it even holds onto that screw no problem. If I loosen that up a little bit, even with that a little loose, that is not falling off. So these things are excellent if you want to prevent damaging your heads. So here I have a number 2 Phillips. Let's go ahead and throw this guy in an impact. And I'm just going to run it a bunch of times. The most important thing is we can still see that that head is in perfect condition because it was never able to slip out, start camming out, and start rounding off those heads. And you can kind of even see a little bit of the screw residue on that head. So if you work with Phillips a lot and you're sick of them falling off the head of your bit, this is going to be the style that you want. Even more importantly than that, this can quite often be used just for drilling out these screws that already have their heads stripped out. So if you got one of these and it's already rounded, sometimes you can actually get enough of a bite with this that you can actually pull that guy out. So a very handy set to have around.